Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So basically we have to start with opening the contact list and finding the contact you'd like to edit. So let me do it. Let's enter the contacts and tap on the contact you'd like to edit. Now let's tap on this edit icon right here and tap on this, let's say, profile icon. And as you can see, after tapping, we will be able to either take a photo, and after picking this option, your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. Or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and you will also be, of course, be able to pick something from previously taken photos or downloaded ones. So I will pick this option, let me tap on it, and let me find the photo I would like to use and tap on it. And as you can see, from this step we have to change the position of this highlighted square. We can change the size of it, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this area is responsible for it. So if you will position it just like you want to, then you have to simply confirm it. So let me tap on OK in the right upper corner. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this profile picture, profile icon. So remember to tap on OK to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, we've got the info that the contact has been saved. We've got this photo applied to the contact. We will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number, and for example whilst texting. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up.